Okay, so how to draw cartoon with a message? Well, in this video, I will tell you that, and also I will draw a cartoon and show how exactly it is done. Right, so let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. My name is Abhi Basu. I'm a freelance cartoonist and illustrator. And in this channel, I share my experience and knowledge regarding cartooning and illustration. So to draw cartoon with some message, the actual idea or the thought is the main thing. Okay, the quality of the cartoon may not be that good, but the idea should be really good and touching. Okay, so I'll be drawing a cartoon which is related to the current situation in the world. That is, everyone is at war. Everyone wants their own right and their own asset or properties. So each person is fighting with the other person for their own right. But on the other hand, if people would have been at peace with others, if the relationship would have been better, then things could have been much better. So that's what I'm trying to say with the help of this cartoon. Also, there has been a big time gap from my last video because the reason is I lost my father on February this year. So I was not mentally prepared during this time, but slowly and steadily things are much better now. So I have started doing the videos again. Okay, so watch the video and enjoy the music. Okay, so that was about drawing a cartoon with a message. Hope you have enjoyed the video and has got some idea regarding how to draw these kind of cartoons. If you have enjoyed the video, please click on the Digital Pastel logo to subscribe and also share with friends. Put your comments below, right? So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video.